Hey everybody, I'm taking just a second to point out to you how you can access Microsoft Tools as a JSU student. Several of you have reached out and talking about how you're having trouble getting documents to save properly and moving documents from one device to another. I know several of you have a digital device at school and your home device won't pick up on the internet. So Microsoft Tools is a great tool that's available to you. If you go to your Gmail or your Gmail, in the top corner above where you can compose a new message, there is an app launcher, and if you'll click on that, you'll notice all of the devices, the programs that are available to you in Office 365. Now you're going to have to log in, but you use the exact same login that you use to log into your Gym or to your Canvas. It should be the exact same, but you can use online Word after you log in. And one really good thing about using this tool is that it saves all of your documents to a place called OneDrive. And then you can use that OneDrive to submit your assignments. It's already in the DocX. I know several of you are saving Google Docs to a DocX, and you're having some problems a little bit with the formatting. So it gives you the option to start new blank documents. Now, you have a lot of the same functionality. You should be able to still change the text and whatnot. There's really not a very big difference here. But when you save a document, it gives you the option to save it online, or you can download a copy to your own computer, but you're going to want to save these and it'll save to that OneDrive, which you should be able to see when you open up Word. Same thing with Excel, PowerPoint. OneNote is like a notebook, like a notepad kind of a thing. SharePoint is virtual PowerPoints that you can collaborate with other people on. You may use Microsoft Teams in some of your classes, Forms, but all of those apps are available to you free of charge as a JSU. Well, you pay for it in your tuition, okay? But it's available to you there under the app launcher. So hopefully that will help you in the future to utilize that tool, and Canvas really does work best with Microsoft tools, so hopefully that will be a resource that you can use in the future.